What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in free cash, the good folks at Moo are going to give you all of those freebies if you open a new Moo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks plus the $30 cash reward. If you put $1,000 in your Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus the $30 cash reward. This is a limited time offer, and you have to make your deposits when you open your new brokerage account. Get down in the description box, click on that Moo link, open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. And if you don't know how to use the Moo brokerage app, just send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net, second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moo account, you've funded the Moo account, and I'm gonna go ahead and send you 2 tutorial videos done by the good folks at Moo to teach you how to use their app so that you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth. Well, guys, the stock market finally turned around. Let's talk about it. Here's the headline. Stocks rise, but S&P 500 is still headed for a weekly decline. Stocks rose Friday after the S&P 500 ended a 3-day negative streak, while investors look to end a volatile week on a high note. The S&P 500 gained 0.4%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 173 points, or 0.4%. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.6%. Both the S&P 500 and the Dow were on track to snap a 6-week winning streak. The former is down 0.4% week to date, while the latter has shed 1.7%. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, is on pace for its 7th straight weekly gain, advancing 0.3%. Can somebody say Nvidia? I can. That's what's causing it. But let's keep moving. Oh, some of y'all might say, well, Tesla's helping as well. Tesla too. Those moves follow a mixed day on Wall Street. The Nasdaq joined the S&P 500 in finishing the session higher, with both lifted by Tesla post-earnings rally. Shares of the electric vehicle manufacturer notched their best day in more than a decade as investors cheered the firm's stronger than expected profit and CEO Elon Musk's expectations for vehicle growth next year. Let's see, though, if that will hold up. I'm rooting for Tesla, guys. I'm a believer in Tesla, but I also know Tesla's CEO is really easily distracted. So if he takes his eye off of the Tesla ball and puts his eye on his political aspirations or these other companies he got, who knows what will happen to Tesla's growth next year. So we'll have to stay tuned. A slide in treasury yields also gave the S&P 500 and Nasdaq upward momentum. The 10-year treasury yield notably cooled off from its 3-month highs after breaking above the 4.25 mark during Wednesday's session. This has everything to do with the decline we saw on interest rates today. Those two indices don't like higher yields. And the reason they don't like higher yields, those two, the Dow and the S&P, is because investors are fleeing out of those two into 10-year treasury bonds. And they do that when they're skittish, when they don't see a clear path to making money, when they think the Federal Reserve is not going to reduce interest rates another 50 basis points this year. They will flee to security until they do get a better understanding of exactly what's going to happen with the cut in interest rates for the remainder of the year. Now, I also got a question from someone about Nvidia or Nvidia, whatever you guys want to call it. And the question was, should I be buying Nvidia stock right now, or should I wait until they launch the Blackwell? Well, guys, I'm not an expert here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert on Nvidia. I don't work on Wall Street. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube giving you his opinion based on me investing for 30 years on my own and building my own wealth. And someone that has 11,200 shares of Nvidia stock currently. Here's the way I see it. If you're a 5 to 10 year hold person like me, it's irrelevant. You can buy it today, you can buy it tomorrow. It really doesn't matter because the price today, in my opinion, is a discounted price from where the stock price will be in 5 or 10 years. That's my opinion. So you buying it today or waiting a couple of weeks until they launch Blackwell, which is their new, latest and greatest super AI advanced chip, doesn't matter. Stock price ain't gonna go up that much from today's price to 2 weeks from now when they launch Blackwell. Now, what we can expect to be a catalyst for the stock going higher is when Nvidia comes out with its Q3 earnings. But those Q3 earnings won't include any sales from Blackwell. It'll be sales from their current advanced AI chips, which is Hopper 100, Hopper 200, right? So that's what you'll see in the Q3 numbers. You won't see any Blackwell sales until Q4 numbers come out, which will be sometime in January, February of 2025. So listen, if you're a short-termer trying to figure out a way to time the market and make you a quick buck, maybe it makes a difference for that. Or you one of these folks that I'm gonna time the market and let it pull back and then I'm gonna buy then and then let it go up and I'm gonna jump out. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that strategy. It's not my strategy. So if you're looking 5, 10 years from now, guys, in my opinion, it's at a discount. And I would say certainly put it on the short list and do your research and figure out if it's the right stock for you in your portfolio. Let me give you one last thing and we're gonna get out of here on Nvidia. Right now, Nvidia is up about 190% year to date, guys. About 190%. I was telling you guys back in March, April, May, listen guys, if you're looking to build wealth, hitch your financial wagon to some of these financial thoroughbreds. And I told you Nvidia was one of those. It pulled back, right, in August, down to about $90 a share. Now it's up to over $140 a share. And again, I still think that's a bargain. I still think it goes higher. But my point here is you got to find investments that can multiply your wealth while you sleep, guys. And I think you should put Nvidia on the short list. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you what to buy. I'm just telling you what this company has done for my portfolio and my net worth. Consider it, put it on the short list, do your research, figure out if it's right for you. The thing you want to do today, though, is you want to get down to that description box and click on that Moo link and get that $30 free cash reward plus up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in your new Moo brokerage account. When you open it, you get 5 free stocks plus the $30 free cash. You put $1,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, you're going to get 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies, plus the $30 in cash. You can't beat that, guys. Get down in the description box and open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock and definitely go get that free money. Stop by my website, guys. We got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that can help you get your financial literacy up, in turn, give you more financial confidence, so then you can go execute to build wealth. www.richardfain.net is the website address. Second link down in the description box. Go check out the website. Over 400,000 of you guys have already done that. And a lot of you guys have already made an investment in yourself and purchased some of those digital products. Also, while you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,000 wealth builders in just over 5 months, guys. And why do we have that? Because people understand the power of financial community. People are out here struggling and they need help to build wealth. And that's what we provide them through golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working. We help people build wealth. We're not experts. We're not financial advisors. We're just a group of people who are going in the same direction, and that's building wealth to get to our pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If you want to join us, click on that membership button or that join button inside the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up. Come be a part of this movement. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.